So the first step is to push down on your bead, a jack or whatever, tractor, whatever's handy. Break your bead, get yourself access to this guy. Then what you're gonna need is a little Torx bit, and we're gonna unscrew that right there. And we're just gonna use whatever means necessary to get in there and turn this guy. And once you get it loose, then you can just use your fingers with the bit, get it off quicker. And now we're just gonna compare weights, get a little scale. And so we're a little heavy there on the aftermarket. Not ideal, but not off by much. Make sure you put this sensor back on, flipped up tight to the rim like it came off, and then it's time to put this screw back on. Make sure you get that lined up nice and straight. And then go ahead and tighten it a little bit with a wrench once you get it snug. And after what feels like an eternity, this screw will snug up, and it should like twist the whole valve stem and stuff. Just a little bit of pressure. It's a tiny screw, and it should look like that. Now we can go ahead and take the bucket off the tire and go inflate it. Inflating the tire. I'm just using a slime bottle cap as a valve core remover. Doesn't have to be fancy. You want to get the most flow in here as you can. Biggest compressor you got. And then we just want to hopefully, oh yeah, but you gotta have a different chuck to put air in like that. I forgot about that, so I guess we're gonna do it with a valve core. Need the chuck valve stem. Pops up. Every vehicle is different. For a Volt, you hold this down without the brake pedal being pressed. That puts you in maintenance mode. Then you're going to hold down the check mark while you're on the tire pressure screen. It will not work if you're not on this tire pressure screen on the dash. Then it's going to, first you have to dismiss that error. Then this says tire learn active. I started by tire learning my new sensor. I recommend that just so you know it works. But then you just put this here on the rubber, and you'll notice this little light here means you need to learn this tire. Press your little button, and then that button, and that on. This takes a little while. And that double honk means you're done. Now I just need to add air to that tire and I'm good to go, as they say.